Graph y equals negative 1 over 4 times x plus 3 times x minus 5. Identify the x-intercept, axis of a symmetry, and the vertex. So far you've learned y is ax squared plus bx plus c. That's called the standard form. Y is a times x minus h squared plus k. That's called the vertex form. So that's your vertex. And then y is equal to a times x minus p times x minus q. That's called the intercept form. So this is an intercept form where x-intercept is p and q. How did we find this? By setting this equal to 0, by setting the second one equal to 0. Now again, the vertex form, you don't have to worry about it. When a is greater than 0, it's a U shape. When a is less than 0, it's an upside down U shape. That's h comma k. Since x value is h, your axis symmetry will be x equal to h. Now you can draw the graph first with the vertex form, then you can figure out axis of a symmetry. So that's something that you can worry about later. Let's focus on x-intercept form. Since my a is next than negative 1 over 4, let's write it out first. Y is equal to negative 1 over 4 times x plus 3, x minus 5. That is, your a value is less than 0. I know that it's upside down U shape. By setting this equal to 0, by setting the second one equal to 0, you know that x-intercept is negative 3 and 5. So we know that the graph is passing through negative 3 and 5. Wow, that's a big spread, right? Then axis of a symmetry will be in the middle. So negative 3 plus 5 divided by 2, that's 2 over 2, that's 1. So that will be my axis of a symmetry. It's right here. So x equal to 1. So we found the axis of a symmetry, and we also found x-intercept, that's negative 3 and 5. Make sure you put comma. You know what? Sometimes you put negative 3.5, that's negative 3.5. We don't want to see that. Negative 3, comma 5. Then what happens? So when x is equal to 1, so we need to find a vertex. So we will find y of 1. So that's negative 1 over 4 times 1 plus 3 times 1 minus 5. So that's negative 1 over 4 times 4 times negative 4. So what I see is I can cancel 4 and 4. Negative 1 times negative 4, that's a 4. So 1 comma 4 is my vertex. All right, just connect this point. But you know what? Just to be clear, let's find out what y-intercept is. Negative 1 over 4 times 0 plus 3, 0 minus 5. That's negative 1 over 4 times negative 15, 15 over 4. 15 over 4 is 12 over 4 plus 3 over 4. So that's 3 plus 3 over 4. And 3 over 4 is a 0.75. That's a plus 0.75. That's a 3.75. So that's somewhere here. So the graph will look like this. And then it will look like this. It's passing through that point. Make sure the graph is passing through the x-intercept. So now the vertex is 1 comma 4.